Every sheet of plywood begins its life deep inside managed forests.
Precision starts long before machines ever touch the wood.
Only selected trees meet the standards for plywood strength.
The transformation begins with a single cut. Each fall is calculated, controlled, and deliberate.
Raw logs are shaped even before transport.
Length and consistency define plywood efficiency. Each section is prepared for industrial transport. Machines replace muscle at this scale.
Every movement is optimized for speed and safety.
Here, raw material waits its turn.
Human judgment still guides heavy machinery.
The journey from forest to factory begins.
Nothing moves without control.
Raw logs now leave the forest. Every mile adds value to the wood. The factory ecosystem now awaits. From forest silence, the journey enters industrial motion. Every route is designed to feed one destination. Scale becomes clear long before entry.
Every log is accounted for before crossing inside. The raw material officially enters the system.
This yard is the factory's beating heart.
Human control keeps industrial chaos organized.
Every load is measured before it moves further. Data now follows the wood.
And prescription. Approval sends the process forward.
Here, raw power takes control. Precision matters even before unloading. The load is ready to transfer. Machines now replace the road. Weight becomes effortless at scale. Order is built one log at a time. The flow never stops. The factory consumes wood continuously. Every pathway is engineered for flow. Next, raw wood meets the factory floor. Before cutting, bark must go. Inside, scale multiplies. Precision begins immediately. Nothing unnecessary moves forward.
Even waste has direction.
Only suitable logs continue.
Hidden threats are removed early.
Positioning defines accuracy. The core process awaits.
Power concentrates beyond this point. The system never hesitates.
Measurement happens in milliseconds.
Steel prepares to meet wood. Now, transformation truly begins. The log begins to divide into usable form. Flow replaces randomness.
Imperfections are removed immediately.
Cleanliness protects precision. Size determines the next path.
Machines see what humans might miss.
Layers come together under heat and pressure. What was once logs is now engineered strength. Each cut prepares the wood for real-world use.
And this is how modern sawmill factories turn raw logs into plywood, ready for tables and homes.